Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, June the 26th, 2020. This week, only 2 of Darko's pre-market analysis PMA trades were filled, but those 2 trades were excellent, especially one of them, as I'll show you here shortly. We have now had 3 consecutive weeks of profit. June's going to be another profitable month for us. Last week was a smashing week. Several of our members reported over 500 pips in profit, and anywhere from 200 to 250 pips the week before. And you know, it's easy to get hyper excited when you have results like this and start forcing more trades because you like that feeling and you start feeling invincible. Well, that's a big mistake. And because Darko has such an objective system, overtrading or forcing trades is not a problem for those with enough discipline to stay focused. Okay? Either our rules for taking a trade are met or they're not, and we don't trade. No emotion. There's no maybe. It's either a clear setup or we don't trade. This week was quieter, and we had to be very patient, but that's okay because, you know, why would you want to trade when you don't have an edge, right? And that patience paid off because the 2 trades that were filled, as per Darko's PMA videos, were both winners. One of them quite big, as I mentioned. So let's take a look. Well, as I said, only 2 PMA trades were filled this week. One of the reasons for less action is that so many pairs have been ranging and just not giving us a valid setup. And if you don't have a plan for trading, or you do have one but you deviate from it, your account will get eaten up very quickly by trying to force trades when there's really nothing there. And that's a common mistake that novice traders make. And you know, these kind of things are so important to learn about. You know, we teach people to fish, i.e. to learn how to trade on their own, but the vast majority of aspiring traders need mentoring for a period of time. Okay, most traders want action. That's a big mistake. What you should want is a valid trade setup. And I keep saying over and over, but the truth is this: learning to trade takes time. Okay, despite some of the ridiculous claims on YouTube. Like, you know, like you just don't read a book and become a doctor, right? Okay, well, enough said about that. And you know, that's a huge advantage of the Coach's Corner, specifically Darko's pre-market analysis videos, where he shows you exactly what we're going to buy or sell and at what price and where the stop goes in advance, not in hindsight. So, okay, so you can follow along while you're learning. Very unique, very powerful. It's a proven method that has a really nice edge. Alrighty, let's go over the trades. The Aussie Kiwi was the first one. Let me show you Darko's screenshot that he showed everybody. This was in the pre-market analysis video, as well as he does a screenshot for our premium service members. Very clear. I mean, this level is where, this is a 1-hour chart down here. This is where he's looking to buy. Okay, 106.87 with a stop of 29 pips. And actually, this setup was shown an entire day ahead of time. Okay, it got up. Let me just show you on my charts here. It's right here. Here's where the buy was, right here. It went against us a bit, but our stop's down under here, right? Goes up, and it got up by 27 pips, almost a 1-to-1 at hourly resistance, which, by the way, is also a daily level to watch. If you go to the daily chart, this 17, look at it, 107.14 was here. Look at all the support in here, and it breaks it. It was actually there. It was resistance. It reacted here, it reacted here, it reacted again during the trade that we were in. And let me go back to my hourly chart. So it hit it right up in this level, right up in here, and came back down. Now we move our stop from here, under here, once price starts moving, and then under here. And look at the resistance up here. And I know that people took profits up here. So that was good. And then it comes all the way back down and finally hits the stop on here. But you know, with that partial profit up in here, this was another winning trade. And let's have a look at the next one here. I want to show you this. We had a real doozy on this one here. Let me get my where are we here? There. Go back to here. This is on the pound Swissy right here. So look at the screenshot. Again, this is all in the PMA video, which all of our members get. But the screenshots are exclusively for the premium service members. This sell was right here at 118.12. Okay, we needed a 41 pip stop, and and if I go to my charts here, let me go to my charts. Where is the cable switchy? Right here. I'll just open this up here. Here's what the sell was right here, And you can see price just jumped around in here, didn't do a lot, and then finally it comes down, hits this opposing level on the hourly chart. So, you know, that alone right there is over 40 pips, so another 1-to-1. I know that some people took profits there, and then a lot of other people held the trade. And down here, I know that Darko, this trade was filled on Thursday, and on Friday it just kept heading south like this, really heading down here. I know that Darko was able to take 120 pips out of this, so about a 3-to-1 reward risk, and another great winning trade. Okay, and if you go to the, I just want to show you on the daily chart. This was a pretty good level back here. Look at that. This is a major low in here. 116.88. Anyway, 120 pips. Pretty nice trade. Got to show you another one here. This was a this is one that never got filled. It was on the where the heck is it here? The CAD Swiss. We were looking to sell. I know this is kind of compressed down here, but just bear with me here. We were looking to sell up in here. Very clear. Okay, the sell was at 69.76 with a 22 pip stop. And if I go to my CAD Swiss pair here, it's right here. We were looking to sell up here. This is the hourly chart here, and it missed it. And it missed it by 6 pips or so on my trading platform. And look at this move down. Went down and hit the opposing. This line down here is the opposing daily level, and so that would have been another 2-to-1. But you know what? We missed it. That happens. But you know, it could have been an even better week. And just so even with the 2 trades we had, it was a good week, and this could have been a third, but it wasn't to be. A good level. Price just didn't make it there. So I hope you understand that we don't care about how many trades we have. We only care about good quality setups that give us a proven edge. And if that means only 2 trades per week, or no trades, or 10 trades, so be it. Okay? Impatience and chasing after trades that aren't there will always end up in disaster. We're having another very good month of trading. It's been a very good year of trading. And by that I mean that the trades that were filled as per Darko's PMA videos posted in advance for all to see have been overall very nicely profitable by following the rules that have been laid out. And I can tell you that Darko is very proud of this achievement, as he should be. If you like this video, we would sure appreciate a thumbs up by hitting the like button, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And remember to click that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. Thanks everyone. Have a great weekend. See you next week.